Hi, this is John with WTI, and this little guy here, it's one of my essentials when it comes to traveling or moving high or big data from my phone to my computer, from my computer to my tablet. So I'm constantly recording videos and editing on my computer, and I need to make a travel from my phone all the way to my computer so I can edit all the videos. So this SD card from Samsung, one of the best things, or one of the things that I like the most, is how fast is the storage moving from one side to another. So I use a hub that I connected to my phone and then connected to my computer that is a Type-C. And the transferring speed data is just awesome. I can move gigs really fast when it comes to moving data from one side to another. And the reliability of Samsung is great. I've been using this for a while now, and it has never corrected one of my images or files. It just worked like it should be. So if you're looking for a great SD card, high speed, this one from Samsung is a great one. So this was John with WTI, and that's my point of view.